Hey everybody, Austin here. In today's video, I want to go over the 5 websites for you to start making money online with no computer. Actually, you can do this with a phone or a tablet for most of these sites. And you'll also be able to do this with no investment, so it will cost no money to you and you really don't have to have any technical skills. So stick with me from the beginning to the end of this video just so you don't miss anything, because I'm going to go over some of the best to some of the least paying websites pretty much in order. The first website is going to take a little bit more work, but it will pay you the best. Later down in this video, I'm going to show you some of the websites that you could really just get paid to play games from new apps on your phone. So stick with me, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We talk all things entrepreneurship and tips and tricks for making money online. Go ahead and like this video as well to help me help you. Let's go ahead and look at the computer right here though, and you can see I'm on a website called Rev. This website, you can see convert audio and video to text. I'm going to show you how you can kind of do this. We're not going to really focus on that, but you'll have to caption videos and you'll get paid to do so. This website will pay you the most out of all of the websites that I show you today, so I wanted to go ahead and show it to you first. However, it will require you to do the most work. So if you take a look at this website, you can see that we're trusted by over 170,000 customers across all industries. And it's available worldwide, so for most countries. Now I think it may be limited in a few countries, you'll have to check, but just scroll down and you can see what they do. But we're going to focus on scrolling all the way down to the bottom. I don't want to read all of this, you can do it later. A lot of it won't pertain to you. Right here where it says about, if you go down, it says freelancers. Click freelancers. We're going to focus on you getting paid to be a freelancer. So freelancing jobs, work from home with Rev. Earn money transcribing or captioning from home. So take a look at the left. You can see choose hundreds of jobs and you get paid weekly. Receive weekly payouts via PayPal for all work completed. So this will be deposited directly in a PayPal account. So just scroll down here. You could be a transcriptionist or you could be a captioner. For the sake of this video, we're going to focus on being a captioner. All you have to do is watch a video, accurately type what is being said, creatively convey sounds, sync typed audio with video. That's, you really just caption the video. You type what is being said in the video. Click learn more right here. And this is what we're going to focus on. You can see you get paid weekly, sent via PayPal. Average earnings per month, $240. Top monthly earnings upwards of $1,500. So you can see you can vary in here. You can get paid relatively well just captioning videos from the comfort of your own home with this website. So to become a captioner with Rev, it takes less than an hour to sign up. It says right here, you'll just put your first name, your email, you'll select your country, and you can see the list of countries that they're available in. I believe it's a lot, so it should pertain to most people in this video for the hopes of the people watching it. Click next and go through all the steps. But you can see sign up and get approved to caption, choose from available captioning jobs, and get paid weekly via PayPal. Super simple to get set up. It's a real business model. You can see it's a trusted website, so it's been around for a while and you could always reach out to them. They have different resources and stuff like that. So enough about this. Let's jump over to website number 2. And website number 2 is going to be grabpoints.com. So what GrabPoints is you get free gift cards for watching TV, answering surveys, and completing offers. These offers can be a range of things from just downloading apps and leaving them on your phone for a day or two, or playing games on your apps. So I'm not a big fan of surveys myself, but I'd rather play the games. If you're interested in playing games and stuff like that, I'll show you when we dive in. Joining is absolutely free. They guarantee the highest payouts, and all you have to do is give your email address. Once you hit sign up now, it's going to ask a few more questions like your name and stuff like that. But how it works is advertisers pay GrabPoints for engagements. So it's like user testing. Other big companies and brands pay GrabPoints to list their services for users to go to them. So they're kind of like, GrabPoints is like a broker for these companies to get the users on GrabPoints to test some new companies' apps or stuff like that. So the advertisers are paying GrabPoints to pay you. We recruit members like you. You do online activities like watching videos, taking surveys, completing offers, downloading apps, and much more. So the thing is, a lot of these videos and stuff like that, they could just play in the background of whatever you do. And if you have 5 different, so if you have 5 different tablets, or not tablets, but different electrical things, whatever, electronics, I guess like a smartphone, a computer, a tablet, an iPad. You could open up multiple videos on multiple tablets to help monetize, to earn more money. Like if you have 4 tablets going, you have 4 different incomes from watching videos. I hope that made sense. And then you see you earn free gift cards or PayPal cash. So again, it can be paid out straight to PayPal. And you see right here, they have the PayPal cash cards, they have Amazon. So it could be pretty much, it's not like you're only getting random gift cards like Google Play and Steam and stuff like that. You can have PayPal cash cards, which can be used anywhere. You can have Amazon cards, because I know you shop on Amazon, who doesn't, right? Let me go ahead and log in, and I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. So I'm logged in, and you can see on the left-hand side, this is my dashboard, and you can see like right here on the home page, answer surveys and earn. If you want to answer surveys, you have the offer wallet, where they have different offers, do special offers and earn. And you can see right here, this is like a game, right? Rise of Kingdoms. I don't want to put my mouse over yet. Earn $35.75 if you see it. And if I scroll over it, it tells you what I have to do. Reward after you build a city hall to level 17 must be done in under 15 days. So if I like to play games, I would download this and I would play this game, and I could potentially earn $35.75. You can see right here on the live feed, they have other things. Oh, wait, this is what other people have earned currently, my fault. Let's actually jump over here on the left, and it says leaderboard. You can click the leaderboard and see the top users for the last 30 days. This person in the US has earned $631, $589, $521. So you can see you can earn upwards of an additional 50 to 100 bucks per week, if not even more, just playing games or doing surveys or watching videos on grab points and advertisers paying you. You're getting paid for advertisers. So like that's how it works. It's user testing, so they could test their games and their products and their videos and see what resonates with the audience, see if they like it, and see if people are leaving reviews and how they like the systems. This is what helps businesses stay in business. It's their advertising, right? They're putting stuff in front of their audience, and you just get compensated to do it. Let's go back real quick. I want to show you one other way to monetize this. If you see right here on the left where it says my account, it says invite your friends. If you click that link, it gives you a link code. What this is an affiliate link. For those of you who have been following me, have been on this channel, you know I'm a big advocate of affiliate marketing, and that's what this is right here. It's where you get affiliate links and you get them in front of an audience, and you receive a commission or something for doing so. So it says right here, share your referral link or affiliate link with friends, and you'll earn up to 500 points when they earn 1,000 points. So you could potentially get 500 free points by just putting this link out to your friends, family, or anybody on the internet, on any social platform. If people click that link and they earn 1,000 points, you get 500 points for free. That's what I like to do. I always have a training in the description below on how to do affiliate marketing. It'll be the first link in the description. It's a course on how to do affiliate marketing. So that's enough about grab points. Let's jump over to website number 3. Website number 3 is going to be getpaid2.com. Earn money every time you go online. So you can see it's free to join, so there's no cost to you. Once again, you could do surveys, games, quick points, and offer walls, just like the last one. As always, I'm not a fan of surveys. Who wants to answer surveys? Not me, probably not you. So I never recommend it. But a lot of people that are watching this channel probably like to play games or just watch videos. That's kind of why you're watching YouTube videos right now. It's essentially the same thing. So you can play games, you can watch videos, you'll find the videos from the offer walls and the quick tasks for easy points. Obviously, I always recommend just doing those because they're super simple. They can be done in like a minute or two. So that's always a plus as well. So you can earn points relatively quickly. And how does it work? You do the tasks, you earn points. 5,000 points equal $1, and then you get paid. You could redeem your points for cash, cryptocurrencies, or gift cards. I love cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, so that's what I would personally cash out on. However, it's a whole different ballgame. It's a lot riskier because it's not like straight cash. Some people want cash. You can cash out for PayPal cash. And you can see the offer walls and stuff like that. And all of your favorite cash out payments, bank transfer, cryptocurrency, Amazon, and PayPal again, like I said. So super simple to get paid out. And they also have a refer friends down here on the bottom. just like the last one, when you sign in, you could give a referral, affiliate code, a referral code, whatever you want to call it, and you can earn commissions that way. Again, that's my favorite. Let's jump over to number 4. Number 4, if you jump over to the Google Play Store and you type in TV2, it's an app that you can download and you can watch and earn rewards. You get Bitcoin and Ethereum. So what those are, that's cryptocurrency for those of you who are unaware, but you can literally just watch here, watch videos and earn crypto for watching videos. You can see right here, over 240,000 people have downloaded and left a review on this app. So, and it's got 5 stars. I think it's almost like 4.9 stars. It's almost completely, full for 5 stars. So that shows you that validates it itself. So we're not going to get into that, but you can download that on your phone. It's option number 4. And then number 5, a lot of people have heard of this, some maybe not. It is called Swagbucks. Go over to swagbucks.com. You can earn free gift cards for shopping online, is usually what people think, but you can also earn for watching videos, taking surveys. Again, not one of the things that are going to make you a ton of money, so I don't recommend doing it. None of these are going to make you a ton of money. You're not going to be filthy rich, but these are ways for you to make extra income online when you're not doing anything at the comfort of your own home with just a cell phone. So I hope that's very clear to all of you. But you can see they've awarded out over $400 million to members. And you can scroll down, it's free to join. You can earn by taking surveys, watching videos, shopping online, searching the web, and playing games. You get gift cards from Target, Walmart, Amazon, Best Buy, and so many more. And so that's enough. I don't want to dive into it too much. Those are your websites. We got Swagbucks. We got TV2 at Google Play. We got getpaid2.com. We got Grab Points, and we have Rev. I hope this video was informative just a little bit for you, gave you a couple ideas of how you can make money with very little effort and no real technical skills without having to even have a laptop for most of these websites. So I hope that helped. If it did, please subscribe, show some love, smash that like button, comment down below if this did or did not help you. If there's anything else you want to see, I'll leave another video around this video. For you to click on and continue watching and learning how you can make some extra income online. So as always, I hope to see you in the next one.